What has a bark but don't bite?
Cat.
Wagwan people, don't know your boy Jnel back at it again and again with the next episode of Trick Questions. I watch this episode 9. I was in a Papine right now. They get to me and say, so we're going to do the work and pop out. So this is episode 9, Papine. I'm not talk too long because I know I can't wait. I know by the teaser video, I can't wait to see the whole video. So I'm not stay too long. But even though I say I'm not stay too long, but they talk same way. They get to me and say, I can't wait for me to stop the intro and just start the video. They get to me and say, but watch now, episode 9. Chucky. Episode 9, Papine. Let's go. Alright, first thing you don't know, just give me a name.
Anna. You can follow me up on Instagram at Anna_YB. But in all, I just want to big up the YB team, One Young Blood, and you know, say, and that's a Ray. Yeah.
Sasha.
Ocean.
Shaquille Blackwood, my name.
Shaquille
Blackwood.
RF?
Yeah.
Alright, you see artist and thing, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I run something with me or go on.
Right now?
Yeah, man.
I do style makes you feel hard, just get with love style. She a tell couple friend, I'm a dog them there. If you feel your trick, if you're not in the front, girl, leave my ends. I'm know you love his style with the killer walk, with haircut, pants tight, got fit, drip shoes, clean chain out, and we can't left a brick on the 9x19 tuck pan hip.
Trudy.
Mitchell, otherwise called Gregory.
Trey.
Yeah.
My name? Kennedy.
Yo, we don't see a king come time now. We up stay up till me all and grow up, because when I grow up, I never die up, more line up and shape up and I go black up.
Yeah.
Saying looks is everything, life is everything, health and strength is another thing. One king come to.
That is it. So you say now the new tune for me today?
Hold it on your tune.
Alright, watch out run one of them for me now.
Oh me, now have no blood pon my shoulder. Look pon me and it no blood up neither. Oh me, now have no blood pon my shoulder. Look pon me and it no blood up neither. Oh me, now no blood pon my shoulder. Look pon me and it no blood up neither. Again oh me, now no blood pon my shoulder. Look pon me and it no blood up neither. You can't tell me about go analyze my sister. You can't tell me about if you go kill me brother. You can't tell me about if you go bury me mother. You can't tell me if you go this my father. How you want to tell me about stranger? You mad you no know, say you me brother. Rastafari, now you bingy harder. You want know me name King Kamta.
What has a bark but don't bite?
Dog.
What has a bark but don't bite?
Dog.
Eh?
Have a bark, like tree bark or dog bite.
Yes, sir.
What have a bark and
don't bite.
And don't bite. Bullfrog.
Eh? Bullfrog. Oh, you get that?
Bullfrog can bark, you know. At night you hear them a bark in a river.
Oh.
A shark.
What has a bark? Don't bite tree.
Alright.
What have a bar but don't bite?
Yeah.
What have a bark but don't bite?
Yo, too shiny, yo.
A bark but don't bite.
What have a bark, man, but don't bite?
You know that one there?
Tree.
Alright. What has a bark but don't bite?
A bark that don't bite. A bark that don't bite. We don't want that bark that don't bite.
What has a bark but don't bite?
Tree.
Eh?
Tree.
I threw the tree there or something.
No.
What has a bark but don't bite?
What have a bark but don't bite? I don't know.
Think about it, man.
What have a bark and don't bark?
Bite.
What have a bark and don't bite? I don't know the answers. I have to study the answer them.
Yes, sir.
Whatever bark and don't bite.
What has a bark but don't bite?
Cat.
Eh?
Cat.
What do you mean?
What have a bark but don't bite?
Yeah.
Tricky question that feels.
Yeah, man. I say, if you give me an answer, man. What has a bark but don't bite?
Different question today.
Eh?
Different question today.
Oh, you want me to skip that one? Eh?
Yeah, man, skip it.
What has a bark but don't bite?
What have a bark and don't bite? I say what bark and no bite?
Yeah.
No woman and bark off a man and no bite. No woman barking and love inter and disrespect you and them thing there, no.
So then bark off of you?
You like them that inter I say no. Style yeah, them that want. I find the word for tell you what they use.
Yeah. Find a word, man. Find a word.
Them that say no, them that discriminate you. Them that discriminate you. You know them way there?
Yeah.
And them that have the words so you know nobody here. You see it? Because you can't judge a book by the cover and like come see you and you can't you see him think of a prom and prong, you know. This is a serious thing in the man.
What goes away as soon as you talk about it? That no, they also say, nah, I get it. What goes away as soon as you talk about it?
Memories? Memories? No.
What goes away as soon as you talk about it?
Hey. What goes away as soon as you talk about it? What goes away as soon as you talk about it? Eh? The what? Reverse?
What goes away as soon as you talk about it?
Your feelings. Your feelings.
Feelings?
Yeah.
How am I gonna say that?
Cause some girl, like if you talk to your feelings about some girl and then respond in a some type of way, it just all like just gone afterwards. Yeah.
Words.
Eh?
Words.
Words?
Goes away as when you talk about it.
Yeah.
Breath. I am breathing.
Think about it, man. What goes away as soon as you talk about it?
No, I get that one, the boss.
I go that way soon as talk about it. I don't know the answer there, no?
Brain.
Eh?
Brain.
Rain?
What goes away soon as you talk about it? What goes away soon as you talk about it? I want the bus mate. What goes away soon as you talk about it? Argument.
What am I gonna say that?
What make me say so?
Yeah.
Because right now, if I talk something, you know, and it no video, it gone way now.
What goes away as soon as they talk about it? Where you talk? Where you talk about?
What goes away as soon as you talk about it?
What goes away and soon as the town I must date and a man dead and I remember him for 3 days. 3 days, man, gone and your age go up and you come back. Yeah, in your born, you know, one time you're born.
So what goes away as soon as you talk about it?
Death.
If you don't keep me, I'll break. What am I?
Promise.
If you don't keep me, I'll break. What am I?
If you don't keep me, I break. My heart.
Eh?
Heart.
Art.
Yeah.
Why make I say that now?
Cause if you don't take care of it, it'll go away and then it'll break. You see me? Yeah.
If you don't keep me, I'll break. What am I?
Glass.
You don't keep me, I will break. It's so simple, the meditation I did it right now in the boss.
Eh?
It's so simple, the meditation I did it right now. What so?
You say if you not take a medication?
No, me say it's so simple about the meditation I did it right now.
If you don't keep me, I'll break. What am I?
Dog.
Eh?
Dog or something like that.
If you don't keep me, I will break. What am I?
If you don't keep me,
Yeah.
you will break.
Yeah.
You will break. Break, let me see. Well, if you don't keep me, it will break. 3 limb.
If you don't keep me, I'll break. What am I?
If you don't keep me, I'll break.
Oh, was. Oh, you know, that's what's again.
Somebody asked me this the other day. If you don't keep me, I'll break. Promise.
I will break. If you not keep me, I will break. Why you boss made, you know? I don't know, you know.
You say you don't know that one either?
No, man, you boss made, man.
So you want the answer?
Yeah, man.
I promise, man.
Yo! I promise. It's a comfort to a fool.
Wagwan peeps, don't know your boy Jnel. Watch out now. I want to thank you so much, you see me, for the support, for the continuous support as a matter of fact. You know what I mean? And please remember, squad, remember, you know, if you don't click the like button, you understand, YouTube will not show out the video. So right now, just take a 5 second. May I take a 5 second? You can just click the like button, you understand, and get the video out there. You know what I mean? Yeah. And next thing, remember to subscribe to my vlog channel. You know what I mean? I have 2 channels. You know what I mean? This channel, when I don't know already, I have a comedy, laughter, trick question, them something. I have a vlog channel where anywhere I go at all, if I go movie, if I go party and everything there, I document it so you can watch it. So go and subscribe to my vlog channel, Jnel Vlogs. Link in the description and also in the comments. You don't know your boy Jnel, and as usual I'm out. Mad.